Anytime I have variable, and the variable is raised to a certain power, and that term is raised to another power, basically I'm supposed to keep that variable and just multiply the exponents. Okay, let's take a look how it works. So according to the definition, I'm supposed to keep 12 and multiply the exponents. 3 times 8 gives me 24. Let me just write everything step by step. 3 times 8, so this is equal 12 to the 24th power. This is the solution. Now let's take a look at this example. Again, according to the formula, y will stay the same, and I have to multiply these two exponents by themselves. So I'm going to have 2 times 3 equals y. 2 times 3 is 6. So this is the solution to this problem. Very simple. Let's take a look at this one. Base stays, so I'm going to have x minus 5, and I have to multiply these two exponents. I have 4 times 5. I'm going to have x minus 5 to the 20th power. Okay, this is the solution to this problem.